It's got a story, it's got some uniqueness to it. Days like this, when these watches like this arrive, these are the days that make me smile, you know, when you get something exciting that sort of makes you go wow. Just this week, I've had this stunning Breitling for Bentley Centenary Limited Edition. My name's Paul Lewis and I'm the Senior Sales Professional for Burrells Jewellers in Winchester. This watch has been created by Breitling in conjunction with Bentley to celebrate 100 years of luxury car making. It was launched at the Geneva International Motor Show earlier this year. Breitling and Bentley, probably one of the longest collaborations between a watch brand and an automobile company, dates back to like 2002. Bentley were designing their stunning Continental GT. They approached Breitling to develop an onboard clock, which would sort of reflect the sort of quality, performance and luxury of the cars. And obviously they felt like a great synergy there. We had a premiere with the sort of racing green dial. That was very well received. This is the next one on from that. There seems to have been a shift with sort of limited editions now to number them of 1 of 1,000 or 1 of 500, rather than actually putting the specific number on a watch. The red gold is limited edition of 200 pieces, and the steel is 1,000 pieces, which worldwide is a very small number. So we're very proud to have this watch available. I've been very fortunate enough in the past to go and visit crew in the Bentley manufacturer and seen the fantastic craftspeople and what they do is incredible. The strap on this watch is in a brown leather and it has this sort of cross stitching. It's a code of the Bentley motor cars. If you look at the leather in the Bentley cars, then you'll see this same patination. So it really is picking up the details. The dial of this watch, it's made of burl elm. Each piece is going to have a unique grain and unique finish, and again it's given the same care and attention as the wood that's used in the manufacture of the motor cars. There was a 1929 Bentley racing car which was named the Blower. That wood was used in the production of that car. So again, there's always history. Everyone looks back and looks at some of their great achievements and thinks, okay, how can we bring that into today's watches and bring that to customers today so we can relive those stories and retell those stories. So that's wonderful. On the side of the 42mm case, we have a little sort of tag there engraved with Bentley. That inspiration for that's been taken from the Blower racing car as some of the finishes inside that. We've got, of course, as always with the B01 caliber, we've got the wonderful exhibition case back, really showing the beauty of that chronograph movement. But also very nicely, we've got the Bentley name and logo. We've talked about the premiere movement in our other videos, so if you're a subscriber or you'd like to go and visit our channel to see more videos on that, then please do. Do I like this watch? I really like this watch. What a gorgeous watch. You get the eyeglass up onto the dial and you see the detail and the wood grain, the finish. I just think it's stunning, the whole colour. This watch, which is only 1 of 1,000, can be yours for £8,150, which I feel for a watch this unique, with this stunning dial and the craftsmanship that's gone into that, I think that's great value. If you'd like to know more about this watch, I'd really encourage you to come and see it. You can visit our store here in Winchester, or of course you can contact us via our website.